What are some of the common types of injuries that you see as a result of semi-truck accidents in Southern California? Attorney John Rosenberg explains, collisions with large trucks cause some of the worst injuries that we see at our firm. When dealing with an unloaded semi, it can weigh between 25,000 and 30,000 pounds. Loaded, it can weigh up to 80,000 pounds, which is approximately 40 tons. A car is about 1.5 to 2 tons. Even the momentum of a slow-moving truck is massive when it hits a car. We see deaths, multiple bone fractures, brain injuries, and serious spinal injuries that lead to paralysis, paraplegia, quadriplegia, and neurological injuries. Severe scarring and psychological injuries also result from these accidents. Many clients continue to be frightened on the road whenever a semi is anywhere nearby. These injuries can be long-lasting and sometimes permanent. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.